conditions to this equation for an infinite potential well yields quantized energy levels proportional to n squared. Solutions to this equation are wave functions whose squared magnitude gives a level that is correct for 6. Toss-up 2. This work's author published 2 upbuilding his forces as a companion to it, and in the first part of his work, A gives essay lectures to that hominoid and includes a presage to a later work by its author, the concept of anxiety. The second part of this work involves Aramita discovering a group of letters from Berlin. Yes, from by Toss-up 3. This artist is believed to have designed the Rothenauer House in County Guilford, and the civic buildings designed by this man include the Charleston County Courthouse, which he modeled after Leinster House. Along with William Thornton, this man helped to design the brick octagon house in Bobby Bottom, and this man won a competition using a two-story facade shortly after meeting George Washington. For the points, name this Irish American architect who created the original design for the White House. Public is correct. 3. Toss-up number 4. The Purex method for purifying fuel for nuclear reactors is based on this procedure to separate uranium from plutonium. And this method has also been used to procure metals such as cobalt and nickel. Tools often utilized to perform this procedure include secretary funnels in laboratory settings, and this procedure uses centrifugal contactors in industrial settings. Points name this procedure in which a substance is moved from one to another immiscible liquid. It's liquid extraction. All right, toss-up 5. Because this article was ratified by only 11 states, this is the only component of the Bill of Rights not incorporated into the Constitution. The final version of this law created a mathematical paradox by replacing the phrase less than one with more than one. If this amendment had been passed in its original version, one group would have been expanded from 435 to thousands. For the points, name this proposed bill that would have regulated the number of seats in No, I'm sorry. House of Representatives.
Leading clause?
It's the apportionment for Article the First.
She read
I said House of Representatives.
Oh, I hear it.
Sorry, no, I shouldn't.
All the other scores right this gender.
Let's just do a quick gender.
I have covered -6, so you can read argument to with or defaults.
And you know, I'm not change. Toss-up 6. During World War II, this artist began work on the unfinished painting Victory Boogie Woogie and 2 years later.
Stay.
2 years earlier, this artist painted New York City. Teacher, same thing.
Awesome.
Yes, for 6.
That's like 6.
That's like wow.
Toss-up 7. One form of this mineral is citrine, which bears a yellowish orangish color and is usually created by heating a violent variety of this material. This substance makes up most of granite by mass, and when irradiation occurs with trace amounts of iron present, geodes of this mineral can take on the form of amethyst. Words is correct for 5 for Archer. Toss-up 8. This city's Mohammed area is often referred to as the Roman Hill. This city's outskirts include Lake Ulster.
Kumasi.
Yes, for 6. That is 6.
Stick to you.
Toss-up 9. The Lives of Francis of Assisi inspired a ballet by this man titled The Noblest Vision, a 1924 opera composed by this man, later yielded a symphony whose final movement is based on the temptation of Satan, eventually emigrating to the U.S. amid Nazi denunciation of degenerate music. This composer's output ranged from the contrapuntal Ludus Tonalis to the symphonic metamorphosis of themes by Carl Maria von Weber. For the points, name this German musician best known for Matthias der Roman. Yes, for 4. For 6. Puzzle 10. In order to avoid assassination attempts, this scientist's identity was only revealed posthumously, and this scientist used to monitor chief designer throughout his career. This scientist served in the Volkswagen program, which resulted in Alexei Leonov becoming the first person to perform a spacewalk. For the points, name the scientist who served as the lead Soviet rocket engineer during the space race and invented his report.
I have Anika with -6, Dark with 0, Sid with 11, Marjorie with 7, Helen with 6, and Jamal.
All right, thank you so much. Toss-up 11. This leader ordered the beheadings of Mocha during a military retreat, and this leader's policy of forced labor, known as the Forbette, resulted in the construction of the Sanssouci Palace. I'm sorry, personal residence, as well as Citadel La Ferrière. Yes, for 5 or 6. Toss-up 12. A poet by this author satirized anti-Chinese sentiment by describing the game of oath of Joker in which dark forge. Say it. Yes, for 6. And that's Tomal for 6. Toss-up 13. J. Thomson explored the composition of canal ions by channeling streams of this element's ions through a magnetic and an electric field. In 2014, the price of this inactive element jumped by 600% after the Russian annexation of Crimea, and the red version of this element is the only type that is actually contained in its namesake protein. For points, identify this as second lightest noble gas. For 4, Arctic. Toss-up 14. This island's Spiaggia dei Conigli, or the Rabbit Beach, has been voted the world's best beach by TripAdvisor. And this island is the largest of the pelagic islands, administered by the province of Agrigento. This island is where the film Fire at Sea was shot, and a ship carrying migrants capsized off this island. Yes, 5. Sid. Toss-up number 15. This artist assembled the first display of Pablo Picasso's artwork in the United States at his gallery 291 in a photography. For 6. For Sid. Toss-up 16. This chemist pioneered the technique to mass-produce phosphorus, turning Sweden into a producer of matches. This chemist discovered lactic acid and identified elements such as tungsten, barium, and hydrogen. This chemist was the namesake of a copper arsenate that was used as a green pigment, but later phased out due to its toxicity. For the points, identify this German chemist who was credited with discovering oxygen. Sorry. Independent of Joseph Priest. Sorry. Okay, that's time. We're looking for shield. Carl shield. All right, toss-up 17. This politician briefly resigned from his highest post after the signing of the armistice of Villafranca. This man initiated diplomatic collaboration between his state and Napoleon III's France. Say again? No, I'm sorry. Following Felice Rossini's attempted assassination of the latter, during this man's term, he involved Piedmont in the Crimean War and yes, little events that counted the war and it's for Toss-up 18. This character, who is the subject of a work by Peter Skilling subtitled I'm Coming Home, which topped West Germany's music charts, though allegedly autobiographical, this figure has drawn comparisons to men with surname Mackley and Stafford, the latter of whom took part on the Apollo 10 mission. Chris Hadfield once performed a 1969 song aboard the ISS, which focuses on this man. Claims yes. Or five. Question really right. All right, lesson 19. The Zizian philosophy was heavily influenced by this thought experiment, which its leader believes is real. This thought experiment was first conceptualized in 2010 under the title Solutions to the Altruist's Burden, the Quantum Billionaire Trick. As a result, this thought experiment was criticized by Les Wrong founder Eliezer Howsky, and it was supposedly the subject of the first exchange between musician Grimes and Elon Musk. For the points, name this thought experiment, which states that a benevolent takeover. Yes, for four, Nirvana, 20, and we'll do a score check. And army from this dynasty fought the Duchy of Aquitaine and Alfonso the Bastard at the Battle of Cotonga. This dynasty emerged victorious at the Battle of Prague. This dynasty and its Zamhaj leader, Yusuf ibn Tashfin fought the Battle of Sagras against the kingdoms of Leon, Castile, and Aragon, possibly responsible for the conquest of the Ghana Empire. For the points, which Berber dynasty in Morocco was succeeded by the Almohad Caliphate? Yes, for 3 or score.
We have Anika with -3, Charlie with 0, Sid with 23, Arjun with 12, Imam with 11, and Jamal. Very much.
Toss-up number 1. Angels fly above an ominous hill in this artist's depiction of the Lamentation, which appears in a chapel that also features this artist's depiction of 7 virtues and vices. For Pope Benedict XI, this artist may have drawn a perfect circle without assistance, and this artist, who was taught by Chimo Bucrat, was commissioned by Enrico Sto. Yes, and that is for by Archer. Task 22. A more advanced programming language inspired by this language, SNAP, shares similar mathematical foundations and lambda calculus. Through the National Science Foundation, this language was developed in 2003 by Mitchell Resnick and Yasmin Kafan. This language involves the use of different colored blocks to correspond with words. Yes, for 5. For animals. Task 23. This creature was sent by one god to attack Ethiopia. Queen Cassiopeia sold the narratives. A creature known as Tannin in the Hebrew Bible has had its name translated to this creature's, and this creature's name is also mentioned in the book of John. It's not. Sorry. Yes, 4 5. Task 24. One novel by this author shows the fall of Iron Men during the McCarthy era. Coleman Silk's brother. Verse 6, word small. Class of 25. This phenomenon encompassed scientists received the 1998 Nobel Prize in Physics for discovering it, alongside Igor Tam and Illy Frank. The IACT is a device used to image this phenomenon, which is emitted by gamma rays when they strike the atmosphere. In this phenomenon, a charged particle passes through. No, I'm sorry. A medium at a speed. Yes, for 5. I'm sorry. Task 26.
Yeah, sure. Anika with 25, Charlie with 0, Sid with 23, Arjun with 20, Imam with 16, Jamal with 7.
26. Prior to this specific event, Major Jim Cloud gave the order for protesters to disperse. ABC interrupted its Judgment at Nuremberg broadcast to show coverage of this event. James Spider Martin captured a picture of organizer Amelia Boynton during this event, lying unconscious. Say it more slowly. No, I'm sorry. I'll continue. Lying unconscious on the ground after being beaten by law enforcement on a certain landmark. For the points, give this 2-word name for the brutal suppression of the 1965 march across the Edmonds.
Like the Salomon massacre.
No.
The Paul.
Go ahead.
What's
Yes. That's what it goes.
Or what's the name? Professor.
maybe lost?
You guys are.
That's me.
Oh, it's like that was a. Oh, sorry.
That's okay. She's Mexican. Yes, I know. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Like really not your fault. It's like yeah.
Remind me where you buzzed
This
in.
is like in J.
Everyone has.
You said
Everyone Pettis,
as.
and then you guys. And you want to.
Maybe you should call them. And they.
Call me. You idea about which would be that lost level first. Then are you get points, and then you would.
Well, where is it? Steve. Would be
Yeah, there. Yes, you're in first. I've never understood it. So you use something. And you said. Said invalid massacre. Give reasons. Yeah, you're probably amazing. Yes, I see.
Girl, that's
Tell me, you should talk to somebody with the way.
no. It's already in our chance to do. So even using purpose classes, one was all philosophy notes. I'm sorry, our Jersey feeling is like that, right? Literally, that's how we're doing it. And then, like, so many people they're here, voice out, doesn't know. So, the next one, national. Oh, shoot, I said I don't understand.
You can prepare me to do on the street. Hey, nothing there. I'm going to watch. So there are a bunch of girls in family, it's maybe white, and so I'm ready for
The
rest of us. This is their you know, my lawyer. Like, putting her body was going to like,
Bring us to a fire. He had history already now. Nice. No one's stop. It's not like pause. I don't know. It's like you get it's like you know. Pretty bad or trophies, whatever came out. Oh,
Arlington, 2 to 3 4.
just right. It's been yeah, like cross. So we're working on that. We got our plan to into it. Okay. I was weird. I still was out was like news. Told her that it's been time. Which is like this. And yeah, that's not been like a problem. This is not see. Tonight. Second. Thanks. Wait. Move to English. Act for the
Thank you.
When I review right. Also, wait, so you had I guess the or yeah, 20 today.
Yeah,
Different. Interesting. Oh, honestly, should oh. Yeah.
all right. Cosmopolitan Center. The Tales of My Landlord is sometimes not included in this larger series, which includes works such as The Black Dwarf, as well as a novel about the national hero and downfall. This series, which includes Rob Roy, I'm sorry, I didn't is named for its first novel, which follows the namesake family during the Jacobite Rising of 1745 and is considered one of the yes, sir. Class of 28. Okay, just be careful before you guys are looking for a two-word answer, okay? In morphology, this process produced similar body plans in animals like the thylacine and modern wolves, despite their distant ancestry. One example of this process compares the wings of bats with those of insects and birds, which is not correct for 5. Task 29. Supposedly 500 ministers were convinced to support this leader's claim to the throne after Susima hit a bald minister. And this leader's last wife killed the bully tree with thorns and was named Tisaraka. This leader, the father of Mahendra and Shok is correct. 5. Task 30. This painting, which features the reconfigured motif, is on display at the Hamburg Art Gallery. Robert Waterloo. Say that. Correct for 6. For 6. So within striking distance. That is 37.
It's 40.
No, it's 30 questions that I'm going to cover.
It's 32 questions.
So sorry, it's one.
Thanks.
You're not important. Oh, I thought we had 30.
Sorry, no, you so sorry.
Everybody, I'm so sorry. Very first. Anything at 95 or getting 29 or 38, now I'm 81, small. I think I saw 29 and that was about to add 6. Sorry about that. It's so yes, sorry. House of 31. During this conflict, the Brothers of the Sword were disbanded shortly after they lost the Battle of Saul. The legend of the origin of the Danish flag originates from this conflict's Battle of Lindenese, and during this conflict, conflict. The battle on the ice resulted in Alexander Nevsky successfully resisting an invasion by the Lvov Horde. Further points name the series of 13th century conflicts fought between Christian military orders and various Baltic, Finnic, and Slavic pagan peoples near the Baltic Sea.
Teutonic Crusades.
Sorry.
Damage.
Nice.
Yeah.
Looks great. Okay, that's time for even Northern Crusades.
Focus, that's equivalent. Says.
And a few of us can have the Baltic Sea, right?
Yeah. Teutonic Crusades, like, since you know, like, a month this year. There's a lot of traffic, but. So it's very realistic. And if you have was, let's make it all I have.
Okay. Now,
What are we doing with it? Yeah. You can get those words. It's not. This is all. Good words. Good words. I'm always prefer to get you know, I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe it's awesome in the next. You guys love this is next. Leaves on already. I heard that you have people. You can be back for this kitchen. That's like the most. I don't like it. Yeah, this time is just I was going to say my session tonight. I will focus on the course of I see how I know what. So I'm like, two sixes. But I got something that's start to just come out. Yes. So you want to right? It's your goal, right? Yeah. It's 5 last chance. Yes. To be well last year, right? But I think compared to the wedding, 5 last chance. So you got to so. It becomes the box of these. I love that. You figure I'm playing like Spencer Manning is really what's not known. Yeah. He's in Martin. I don't know if it's yeah, whatever. Kyle's gonna save. Yeah. Terry is like. I didn't want to. We have good weather. Like, aren't you confident? And you were something. Right.
Terry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just like I went to come Saratoga. Well, Steve. Yeah. It's just Dallas is boring. Kind of all that. You my was. Even was like yeah. Tyson is not shared. You hear that we have Google Fancy. Well, this is beautiful. You It's called freaking. Yeah, I my life. Like, totally different problems. You January's in my posture, and
Yes.
I got numbers 6 to 7 is 3.
Massachusetts.
6 nothing carries. Oh, 6 nothing. Jesus. Stop. Okay.
Better get a shot.
One more. Yeah, I got it. It's all here. I got it. Awesome.
This character was inspired by the alleged crimes of novelist Laura Miller, the author of Brown's Daughters. This character, who is variously nicknamed Little Bird and mocked as a wastrel. Nora is correct for 6 for Jamal. 2033. The advent of electric motors allowed these devices to spin indefinitely, and the company Actions became the first firm to manufacture navigation instruments using them. After using the pendulum, Leon Foucault employed one of these devices to demonstrate the rotation of the Earth. First. Correct. For 5. Toss-up 34. Forces led by William B.I. captured Mariano Guadalupe Vallejo during this conflict.
They're like,
6. Okay, now for fierce writings and threats. Right. And Tassa 35. In what work this poet instructs the ignorant Perseus on how to run an army. 6.
I love with I really like friends. This new product. I think about what you. She's the one I'm with things.
Fall. Straight. Stop drop. He's going to place. Dark. Fourth place. Jamal. Place. Bronze medal. Naman. Silver is RB. Champion. Sid.